का हमारा टॉपिक है टॉर्क एक्टिंग ऑन डाइपोल इन ए यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। अब क्योंकि हम डाइपोल की बात करें तो यहाँ पर डाइपोल एक ड्रॉ करना होगा हमें। एंड दिस इज द डाइपोल विच इज हैविंग टू चार्जेस माइनस q एंड प्लस q separated by a distance 2a. Now we can place this dipole in a uniform electric field. Now these charges will experience some force. On minus q charge, the force will be F equals to minus QE, and on positive charge, the force will be F equals to QE. Now the angle between electric field and the dipole is theta, so we can find the net force, and the net force in this case is zero. As we can see, the force is equal and opposite, so net force will be zero. But the two forces produce a net torque on the dipole. As a result, this dipole rotates. Now we have to find the torque, and from the definition of torque, which is represented by tau, is equals to force into perpendicular distance d, and this torque is a cross product. Now in this case, we have to find the force and the perpendicular distance. Force we already know, F equals to minus QE, but we have to find the perpendicular distance d. So let d be the distance between these two parallel forces. From the geometry of this diagram, we can find the value of d. As we can see, the angle between electric field and dipole is theta, and these two lines are parallel to each other. So these two angles are alternate angles and will be equal. So we complete this triangle, and theta be the angle between dipole and force. So from this triangle, sine theta is equals to perpendicular, which is d, upon hypotenuse of this triangle, which is 2a. This implies that d is equals to 2a sine theta. Now force F is equals to QE. So we can find the torque. The magnitude of torque is given by force, which is QE, into perpendicular distance, which is 2a sine theta. We also know that dipole moment is equals to Q2a. So this equation becomes P E sine theta. In terms of vector, this torque can be written as tau vector equals to P vector cross E vector. And this is the torque on the dipole in a uniform electric field.